Alright, we're on the Mukilteo Ferry. Gonna be moving like in less than 5 minutes. Get a little tour of the boat. See social distancing, some of the seats are closed. I saw this ferry in Seattle like a few years ago. This was the ferry to Seattle, Washington from Bremerton. There's the men's room. And there's a big train right there. So we're gonna be moving here soon, so might want to go outside to take a peek. I mean, it's really noisy in here because they actually hear the engines. There's the bumper, which keeps the ferry still till departure. We're gonna be moving here really soon, so hang on tight, guys. $5. That is cool. Look at all those birds. I don't want to hang on to that. That's the gate that they open up when the boat is at a dock. Alright, we're getting ready to go. Hang on.
Reminder to the passengers, face coverings are mandatory, including the outdoor areas. Face covers are mandatory.
Oh, I hear the engines. I hear the engines. Whoa. Here we go. Whoa. All right. We're moving. Bye-bye, Everett. Whoa, jeez, I better hang on.
May we have your attention, please? Washington State Ferries is committed to your health and safety. In addition to routinely cleaning our ferries and terminals and working with health officials to help slow the spread of the coronavirus, we remind you that face coverings are mandatory in all public indoor and outdoor spaces in Washington, including Washington State Ferries facilities. We ask that you do your part and try to maintain a social distance of at least 6 feet between yourself and other passengers. Those of you who drove onto the ferry, WSF is requesting that passengers who are able, please remain in your vehicles for the duration of the stay. These and other precautions like washing your hands, covering coughs and sneezes, and avoiding travel if you are feeling ill will go a long way towards slowing the spread of coronavirus. We thank you for your cooperation and wish you safe and healthy travels.
Wow. We're going fast. There's a terminal. We got a round trip on this area. Let's go inside while the boat's moving. See, if we brought a car, we would have to stay in our car. But no, we don't have to. That's good. I'm gonna go look around and you enjoy the view. Hey. It feels weird when the boat's moving when you're walking on it when it's going the same direction. Geez, I can feel it. I can feel the motion. Look at the beautiful view of the mountains. I'm gonna get me something to drink. I'm thirsty. I gotta hang on my boat. This is my boarding pass. $5 for me and Austin, my brother. Let's get something to eat. I'm starving. No, that's just water. I'm just gonna get a water. No machines, only Accept credit. No debit cards. Oh, it says I can't use money. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait till we get back. So apparently they don't take money. I'm gonna go up front, see where the dock is. Alright, here we are. Back on the ferry. We got a whole trip ahead of us. Looks like we're already almost there. I thought this was Woodby Island, but this is actually Mukilteo. I guess the other ferry that passed us, I think that is Mukilteo right there. I mean, it's pretty nice. I like it. I'm not. Yeah, but we're already almost there. We're like halfway there already. Yeah. I'm gonna show you my pass. See when this pass expires. I was gonna get something to drink, but they don't accept change. Okay. Expires 7/06/21. So when summer comes, you wanna go again? Our pass will expire for a while. Wanna go again in the summer?
I don't know. Probably. No.
Alright. I'll have to tell Dad this is really cheap. $5. I mean, that's way cheaper than Edmonds. Yeah, when you're outside, when the boat starts, you take a picture? Oh, that's alright. You can take a picture, Austin. It's fair enough. Yeah, I'm so glad we didn't bring our car on. Oh, is the elevator working? Let me try it out. I'm gonna try the elevator. Yeah, these things are slow. Alright, we're gonna be arriving soon. I feel like we're only going at 5 miles an hour in my elevator. There we go. Make sure there's no people on it. Passengers driving on board. Please remain in the vehicle. Alright. Let's try floor 1, check it out. Oh, it works. Oh, it does work. There's the cars. It's really noisy down here. Alright, let's go back up. We're going to be arriving here, so I'm going to hurry up and get off the elevator. Take a close look of us coming in. Then we have to go off the ferry, get back on the ferry. It's just rules that they have on board. Okay. Oh, the boat's turning. We're about to arrive. I see the dock over there. Yep, I'm about to arrive. That's the dock. And there goes the other ferry. That one's going back to where we just came from. Alright, that's the dock. We'll come in anytime now. Let's get a view of the back. Oh, shoot. Please, bad dog. I don't like being moving. It's just... That's better. Ooh, alright, come on. start slowing down here any minute. Oh, Mukilteo! There it is. Actually, not that cold out in the water today. Yep, this is the ferry from Seattle, like 2 years ago. We sailed from Seattle to Bremerton, and the Bremerton dock was over this one, they moved it down here, like, I think about a couple months ago. I'm not sure. They're going to shift her in reverse soon, so we might want to hang on. Doesn't give you a balance. Here's a whistling. Let's see, my mask is falling. I gotta get the mask on its roll. Hey, here he comes. Docking in Mukilteo in 3 minutes. Let me see if I have enough space. God damn, it's windy. My phone about to blow away. You get me in my bag rattle. There's 2 docks. Looks like we're coming in the one, dock number, I can't see from here. It looks like dock number 1. We're gonna be slowing down here soon, so hang on. Feel it slowing down. They're going to shift in reverse here in just a minute. This is amazing. $5. That is awesome for a ferry ride. For round trip, that is really cheap. Oh, wait, let's wait till we dock. We have to let the cars. Yeah, we have to wait till the dock. I want to watch this. We can film it from downstairs, but we can't pass that neck. That was fun. Want to take the elevator? Have an elevator working? I will. I don't know if you can. Yeah, that actually went pretty slow. I mean, the elevator's over, I was going to take the elevator on the way back. Did you enjoy it, Austin?
It was a boat.
Yeah, but cheap too. Only $5.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Oh, thank you, Austin. Gotta go down one more level. We gotta get that one more. I'll meet you there. Jeez, easy on the brakes, Captain. I can feel you. Ugh. I almost fell down the stairs. How you doing? Enjoying the ferry? Good, it's only $5 for me and my brother for adults. I mean, that's really cheap. I'll just shift it in reverse. Okay, easy does it, Ferry. Easy does it. Oh, there goes the engines. Yep, this is dock number 1. Might want to brace yourself. We're gonna bump. Yeah, we're gonna bump. Yeah. Well, the captain's careful. I mean, if they slow it down, that's why they put it in reverse. Yeah. I mean, you can feel it moving when you're inside the car. I mean, in the passenger cabin, and when I'm standing, I can just feel my body push in the opposite direction. Yeah. Look at that seagull. Oh, we docked. We're done. Whoa, jeez. Oh my God. Did you see that? I almost fell over. Yeah, they slam on the brakes when they get here. Thank you. Enjoy your day. I love your boat, by the way. She's beautiful. Jeez. Huh? Yeah. I mean, what they say is when everybody gets off, we get bored again. But until then, we have to wait. Alright. Well, why don't we wait for the other ferry, Bill? I want to see. Oh, we're not? Okay. We're not? Okay. That was fun. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you for letting us on your boat. It's really. You too. She's beautiful. No, I'm saying the ferry's not her, but the ferry. Alright. I'm gonna walk on this side because I get beard of mountains. There's the buttons. I'm gonna take the long way. Oh, this is a steep hill. Okay. After you guys.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This door's heavy. You relax, I'm not fun. Here's emergency rules of the boat. I want to take a look at those houses. There's the bumpers again. Oh, I just drop out still. Like I'm in a pause, so I don't waste my time. Be back when the boat moves. Here, Austin. Here's the rules of the ferry for evacuation. Alright, you go look around. I'm gonna stand outside until we depart. Life up. I'm gonna get a picture of the life up. That's cool. Alright, I guess the other. Oh no, all this people have to wait. Suckers, we're leaving ya. Alright, we're getting ready to leave. Here we go again. The bridge is closed. I better hang on to this thing. There goes the crew. We're gonna get the. Here we go, heading back to Everett. Have fun sailing! Shit, it sounds like on a plane. When it starts, it sounds like on a plane. Look at the bubbles. Oh, they're putting it in the gear. The cabin's no longer on that side. It's on the other side. Oh, we're turning. Oh, sure. My stupid mask falling off my face again. Oh, someone's gonna be mad with their. They're not supposed to use horns on the ferry. Someone's gonna be mad about that.
May we have your attention, please? Washington State Ferries is committed to your health and safety. In addition to routinely cleaning our ferries and terminals and working with health officials to help slow the spread of COVID-19 coronavirus, we remind you that
shut
safety
up.
measures are mandatory in all the indoor and outdoor spaces required, including Washington State Ferries facilities. We ask that you do your part and try to maintain a social distance of at least 6 feet between yourself and other passengers. Those of you who drove onto the ferry, WSF is requesting that passengers who are able, please remain in your vehicles for the duration of the sailing. These and other precautions like washing your hands, covering coughs and sneezes, and avoiding travel if you are feeling ill go a long way towards slowing the spread of coronavirus. We thank you for your
Yeah, you get it, we know, be safe. You don't have to say it a million times. There's Everett. I want to make sure there's no people around so I can film the boat. I'm gonna go this way, there's so many people over there. Hear a big noise, it's like I'm underneath the engine room. Let's see if we can see out here. There's the dock. Here comes the other ferry. See if I can get on camera. Geez, those engines are loud.